Plex App is one of the most popular streaming apps out there today. In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how you can get Plex App on Hisense TV. It can be really frustrating if you want to watch some of the great content that is on Plex App. Find that your TV is unable to download this app. Maybe you have an older model TV that isn't able to download any streaming apps, or your TV is unable to connect to the internet to get this app. So the way that I'm going to show you how to install Plex App, be able to work on any model of TV and any year of TV. You just have to have an HDMI port plug into. Now, the way to give your TV the ability to install Plex App, to get a streaming device to plug into your TV, I recommend getting a Roku stick or Amazon Fire Stick. Both of these media streaming players have the capability of downloading Plex App. But then use this Roku or Fire Stick as your main streaming player, which bypasses the operating system on your TV. And if you want to get a little more robust device that gives you more options, spend a little more, and take a look at the Apple TV 4K. All of these devices plug into the HDMI port on your TV, no matter how old it is or what model it is. I've had great luck with all these streaming players, and I'll put links in the description down below of where you can get one of them. But there you have it, folks. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.